So for the rest of this decade, I'm going to run my advertising agency, which is called, which name is Imperium Media or Imperium Agency or Imperium Acquisition, whatever you want to call it. I have three names, I think, by now, but I did not start it to make money because money is basically a byproduct of this or a second order consequences of it, or it's basically just a store of value or exchange of value. I did not start out this to make cash or money for me, and I did not start this to like buy watches, buy cars, go to Dubai or have lifestyle or buy a home or anything like that. I start with having a purpose, mission, and a vision in my mind. Okay, and that's what I'm going to focus for the next 10 decades. And the reason why only 10 decades is because after 10 decades or 15 years, I'm going to basically, I have not like actually think about it in detail, but I think if I can, if some big company can acquire my advertising agency, I'd be happy to sell it for cash. Yes, cash, and I will be willing to sell it for like 500 million to $1 billion in cash. Okay, and I know it might sound a little bit strange, and you might be saying like, just right now you said that you are doing it for a purpose and mission and vision, and why are you suddenly telling that you are going to sell your business after you build it and take it to the next level? And I understand your concern, but the thing is, I have like a higher purpose, higher mission, and higher vision, okay, that I have to chase. And basically I think I can't make a lot of impact on this world through like just marketing and advertising or just having services. It's not like scalable. Like you can take a advertising agency to maximum, I think, $100 billion valuation, but not after that. Like it's not just scalable, guys. And it I have not like think about it, and I think it's possible, but and no one has done this, so I think it's not possible. In fact, it's possible by the laws of physics, but in this real world, I have not seen anyone do that. And even if someone has done that, they are not at like $1 trillion valuation level. So that's what I want, $1 trillion entrepreneur. So what I'm going to do is basically build my company, Imperium Media, the best advertising agency in the world, serving the Fortune 500 company. But I have to start from a narrower place and a few group of people where I have to start, and then I have to like basically jump and serve other people after that. Okay, so that's what I am doing, and right now I serve the people in the service sector, basically like service providers, like coaches, consultants, and agency owners. And I think I will start in future adding more other niches and other industries as well. And after few years, I'm going to serve as well Fortune 500 companies, and I want to like build a company that is Fortune 1 for years. And I think I can't build a company that is Fortune 1, which is advertising company, but I just want to like build this business and sell it out so that I have cash and I can start new businesses. And when I start those new businesses or business, and I will name this company also Imperium Acquisition. Basically, Imperium Acquisition is this parent company of Imperium Media, and I'm going to like spin off or sell this company in my company Imperium Acquisition, right? And I think my passion is for like advertising and marketing, but I have also a deep understanding of economics, investing, and basically business. So I think I should not just run an agency in future. I'm talking about the future. Like in my 20s and in my late 20s, I'm going to absolutely focus on my advertising agency. And after that, if a company buys my company, a big company, and then I will be focusing on basically becoming a billionaire and having an impact, because I think pretty much I can become a billionaire through advertising agency, but I think that's very hard to do, and it's going to require a lot of things that I think I have not figured it out yet, and no human or no person in this planet has figured it out. So that's going to be a real hard challenge for me. I think I can figure it out pretty much, but why waste time? You got like only one life. Okay, so I'm going to focus on building a Fortune 5, 1, 5, or I don't know my company would be in Fortune 1 or not, or even in Fortune magazine, Fortune 500, but I can tell you that I'm focusing on long term and very very long term, like 40 to 60 years, and I don't know I would be live that much, but I think my successor, my heirs, the people whom are going to run my company in the future are absolutely going to basically make my dream, make my vision a reality, and basically let me give you a broad or a vague, a generalized version of my mission or vision. So it's that reduce the amount of human suffering and pain through great products and services. And I know it might sound a little bit glitch and a little bit cringe, but I want to eradicate a lot of suffering and pain in human lives through my company's products and services. And I know there's a limit to this, because life is suffering, and pain and suffering are the universal truth of human existence in any realm. So I can't eradicate pain and suffering completely, but I can, not I but my company can, we at our company can reduce it at a much lower level, and basically improve the lives of a lot of people. And I will also start a foundation, which is Ansari Foundation, which would be the foundation of basically me, and I will donate my money personally there. And then we will have the Imperium Foundation, would be the which will we will donate money from our company. And I'm not running a charity, I'm not running a charity, right? So I'll make money, a lot of money, and it's not about money, guys. I have tell it to a lot of my friends, a lot of my people. It was never about the money. In fact, it is never. And money is not the ultimate goal. Money is not the goal, and that's it. Money is not the goal. Yes, you will make money in the process, but you have something bigger than itself. And I think I've started something bigger than myself, and maybe I don't achieve this goal. Maybe my vision and mission is just a delusion, just a hallucination, and I'm just deluding myself, and it's self delusion. But I believe in being very delusional, and I've never met any successful who does not believe in themselves to the point of delusion.